Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is for people which are new in PC. In today's video I will tell how to use WhatsApp on PC. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Open Chrome and type WhatsApp web. Click on the first link. To use WhatsApp on PC, you have to link your mobile WhatsApp to PC WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp in your phone and click three dots here and then click Link Device. Scan the QR code on PC screen from your phone. It will transfer your mobile WhatsApp to PC WhatsApp. Now it's transferring all the messages and media. Here you guys can see my phone WhatsApp is transferred into PC WhatsApp. Now to install WhatsApp into your PC, you have to go and click on this icon and click on Install. Here you can see WhatsApp is successfully installed into PC. By this method, you can download WhatsApp into PC or laptop. So guys, if this video helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching this video.